All right, last story.
Grey's Anatomy.
This is actually the wrong story.
Oh, I was gonna say I don't know anything about this stuff here. Well, it caught me off guard here on DailyMail.com, which I have no exposure to. These shows. You're sure you're recording this episode, right? Are you? Is this episode?
We'll find out tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
If it's on Lou later. But yeah, remember this story?
A woman who married a ragdoll claims their relationship is hanging on by a thread. After he cheated by texting another woman. I mean, why would she stop at this point? Because it's working, right? You're having
definitely working for us.
All types of people invested in here, and so why stop there? The story keeps going. A woman who married the ragdoll. You may remember this from this show. I didn't expect to have so many updates on it, to be quite honest. I thought when I first saw the story, I thought it was a one and done. It's not a one and done.
But he was trying to get a job, but he didn't want to work.
So is this the third update we've had on this?
No, this is just the second.
Are you sure about that? I think it might be the third.
Oh, really?
I think
the ragdoll had a baby, and
yeah, it was. I mean, the clip exists if you want to start from scratch on this topic. But where we're at now is we are talking about a doll, and I'm sure the language here is on purpose, hanging on by a thread.
Yeah,
the doll made of threads, and the word is that he has been texting other women.
Yeah.
And so therefore causing pain and suffering for the spouse. She found texts on his phone, the doll, the rag doll.
Yeah.
And those are incriminating texts.
Marcelo is potentially cheating.
Maybe they can seek counseling.
I hope so.
And if not for them, then for the kids.
Yeah.
Because don't forget there was a birth as well. 35-minute birth. If you remember the photos from the original story.
I hope that they can really figure it out.
They're currently sleeping in separate beds after the texts were discovered.
She's a breadwinner.
She's the only breadwinner. He's not helping with the bills at all.
Oh.
And he's texting other women while he's over there.
Poor guy.
So,
poor woman.
You know,
they need to figure
we
it
wish
out.
them we wish them the best. We hope that they can sort this one out.
And hopefully more updates coming soon, because this is a great story. I love it. I'm cheering for them. I want them to be happy.
You're their number one fan. You're the no one is as invested as you, Will, in the Ragdoll saga.
Yeah.
The saga continues. Wu-Tang. Shout out to everybody who joined us here today. We do truly appreciate it. Shout out to Will for recording this episode. Well, it remains to be seen if this is going to become, if you're actually going to be able to watch this at any point in time. Fingers are crossed.
Yeah.
That this one makes it out on the air and into the universe. And if it doesn't, it will remain recorded solely in our minds.